Good night, hyena. Good night, giraffe. Good night, armadillo. And they all followed him home and followed him into his house and snuggled up next to his bed. Good night, dears, said Mrs. Zookeeper. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. So many good nights. Who is that? Who is that in my room? Who is that? You silly animals! What are you doing here? You see the gorilla, JJ? What's the gorilla doing there, JJ? Huh? What's the gorilla doing there?